Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your 2021 charms reading for Capricorns. Yes, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Today, we are going to look at your love life, work life, and education and charms for the year coming. And make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, because if you subscribe you get a chance to win a free reading, friends. So yes, subscribe, like and share. Let us see, Capricorns, what's going to be the theme of the year for you, Capricorns. Theme of the year 2021. Theme of the year 2021 for Capricorns. Wow, Nine of Cups. This is a year of celebrations. This is a year of feeling relaxed, taking some time to enjoy. Three of Cups. My God, this is again your year of friendships, of beautiful connections, harmony, peace, and peace of mind and joy. Wow, you had been through tough years. Knight of Cups, new friendships, new connections, offers of love. This is beautiful. Capricorn, you had been working a lot. This 2020 wasn't easy for you, Capricorns. Look at that, Five of Cups. You are coming out of disappointments, friends. You are coming out of things which were not working for you. A lot of disappointments, a lot of broken dreams. You may be feeling like everything is. You have given up hope, Capricorns. You have given up hope about life, maybe your work situation or some love situation. But don't worry, your wishes are going to come true. 2021 is going to make you feel very happy. It is going to restore your faith. It is going to restore your hope. And I also feel that. New friendships are coming your way. People who will support you, people who will protect you, and people who are destined for you are coming, whether it is friendship or marriage or love. Definitely, if you are single, new offers of love are coming. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Capricorns, I also feel, yeah, this is your year when you will offer a lot of love. You will give a lot. Capricorns are very giving. They are very hardworking. They are the best entrepreneurs. They are also the best businessmen in the, hardworking CEOs. They go to the top levels, administration. They are wonderful at that. But I feel this is your year. You will offer love and support to people around you. It is beautiful, it is beautiful, and your hope is going to be restored, your faith is going to be restored. Something you have given hope on, it is going to come true for you. Maybe it is money that you have given hope on, like your dreams won't fulfill, your money won't come, or that dream career won't happen, or you won't have that travel you want. It is all going to happen. Some things are going to happen which you desperately want. You're waiting for them to happen. It will happen in 2020. Look at that soulmate connection. You start with that in your love life. Capricorns, their love life. Wow, Four of Wands. Marriage is important. The Page of Cups. The Moon. Capricorns, their love life. The Ace of Swords, the Page of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, the Death, the Three of Swords. A lot of cards want to come out. Eight of Swords, the Eight of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Three of Swords. Love life for Capricorns. Wow, Eight of Cups. Let's just keep it there if it wants to stay there only. The Tower, Ace of Cups. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow, so you start the year feeling on an amazing note. This year starts on a bang with you, Capricorns. Things are great for you. Look at this. Things are really awesome for you when you start the year. A soulmate is coming, or you are very in a strong relationship with your soulmate, twin flame, or you are missing, or those past friends, sorry, your past friendships or past friends or lovers or a new person is there with you. And the connection is mutual, there is love, there is harmony, you feel very close to this person, there is talk about marriage, commitment. It could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aries, Leo, Sag, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I feel this person is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, very strong Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer energy. You will feel very strongly connected with this person, a lot of telepathic communications, a lot of emotional talks, a lot of intimacies there at the start of this year, January, February, March. But mid of the year, like from April, May, and June, things are looking, some major changes are going to happen. If this person was in third party, they are coming out of it. If this was a long distance relationship, they are coming to meet you. If you are single, a new person is coming. A lot of things are moving in your favor. Destiny is aligning you, Capricorns, with your heart's desire. You are going to achieve something that you are manifesting or waiting for. Page of Wands, an exciting event will happen in your life, but some changes or some endings will happen, but it will lead to something good. Some ending will happen in April, May, and June for you in your love life. Maybe your third party is over with your other person. They were married, but they are coming back to you. Or if they were in long distance, they want to come back to you. If this something was separating you both, keeping you apart, things are over. Things are, that separation, that block is lifted, and they are coming towards you. There is clarity, there is communication, there is love, there is a lot of destiny here. But mid of the year, oh my god, get very careful, Capricorns. You are going to face some losses. You might feel like you want to walk out of a marriage, or you want to walk out of a relationship. You will feel a lot of hurt, you will feel a lot of pain. You might feel, or your lover might feel like they can't do anything, or you might feel very conflicted or trapped in this situation. I do feel you will feel like this is a very slow and stuck situation you want to run out of. But I feel communication is the key here. You can make this situation shift in the mid of the year by communicating properly and keeping your heart open, Capricorns. If you do that, things will get better. But if you both are not communicating, things will just get worse here, and one of you might walk out of this connection, or some things may happen which will cause you hurt and pain. But at the end of the year, destiny is working in your favor, Capricorns. This person will again come back because of destiny. A stroke of luck is going to bring them back into your life, and you'll be like, what? They are back. You could also be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you will talk with them online, on social media, and there is a lot of planning. Some things are happening in their life. They will tell you about that. So there is a lot of talks and communications. They will also tell you why they behaved like this stupidly in the mid of the year. They will explain a lot, so you will become clear, and then this new start will happen for you. They won't give up on you, Capricorn. They are very, very into you, this connection, this lover, this twin flame. It could be a husband wife or an ex-husband or wife. This is love of a lifetime, and things will balance out. Something karmic or some past issues are affecting your connection, but your love is tested, but you will rise out of it. Look, rise more into love this year. Happiness through celebrations. Ace of Cups, temperance. Things will get balanced at the end of the year, like these September, October, November, December. Great months for love for you. Although there will be some sudden shifts like tower movements, but they will end up to this, like you moving in with them, or you talking suddenly with your past lover, and love and sparks of love flying very high for you. So let's see some advice for your love life. I see advice is very important. Then we're going to look at your charms. Advice for Capricorns for their love life. Firm foundation, Four of Wands. Four of Pentacles, actually. I definitely feel, friends, this is your time that, this is your year. You are making and checking the foundation of every relationship or friendship. So yes, you are laying a strong foundation, and that is why these hiccups will happen. Accelerated motion. Your love life is very, very fast. Communication is again a key for you. How you communicate, or how positive or sweet are your communications, or how sweet the other person is, that is very important. Movement, choices, and decisions. Yes, there are choices, there are decisions. You will have to choose which way to go or not, and which one to accept or not. Intuition, the high priestess. Yes, listen to your intuition, listen to the divine signs. A lot of things will be clarified by the signs around you, Capricorns. Base chakra, I do see power struggles will happen, or maybe someone's confidence is there low, your lover, or maybe some ego issues, power struggles may happen, trust issues may happen, or friends or third party or families affecting your connection. So you will have to keep some boundaries, Capricorn, or your lover might have to do that. Keep the third party or the other family and friends away, and just keep love in the priority. So that all those things are there. It's a big year for love. It's a big year for love. Lot is happening. Let's see your work in career, Capricorns. Wow, 5 of Wands, confusion, sun, clarity, the high priest. All right, so you start the year with a lot of confusion. You are like, what is going on? You feel a bit of confusion. You feel like things are, you feel like you should be doing something else, you need to be somewhere else, you are very confused what you want to do, or you are unhappy with the way your work is going or career is going or your education, so you are a bit conflicted. I do see that some sort of a balance will come, or some sort of a destiny or divine sign is going to come to you, Capricorns, in the year of 2021, and it will guide you like what you need to do. Like if you are waiting for some college approvals or entering a college, yes, it will happen and you will get the right college. It may not be the college you wanted, but the college you get is even better, and it is in your destiny. Something destined will happen in your career, education. And I also see you are going to get reward of your patience, your past hard work. So yeah, you may be frustrated sometimes this year because things are like, oh, scattered, but keep positive and be traditional this year. I do see you rising to the top, the sun. You will get some fame this year. Your work will be noticed, your family, your social circle, your work, everyone will notice your work. Aries, Leo, Sag person, very important to you in your work and career and education. I also feel you will feel very motivated, very excited and passionate about your career, your life, your work, your education. But some of you may feel caught between tradition and innovation. Like Capricorns, you want to innovate. You feel like certain rules are not right. Certain restrictions, rules are restrictions, like education rules, or they need to change. Or you may find that authority is not good. You want innovation, you want change. You may face some battle or confusion or some irritation or frustrations with people in authority, like colleges, schools, universities, even at your boss, or even your home. You will feel challenged, but look, something destined will happen. Karma is also here. Something destined will happen in your work, education, and career. Fame is coming your way. I see if you are a student, your fame will be there. You will be very successful. People will know you. In fact, a lot of people will fight for you, like you are a popular person, a popular rock star or something. So people are gonna fight over you. It may not be something you are used to, but it will happen for you, Capricorns. Let's see some advice for your work. Material harvest, see a lot of abundance is coming. Look at that. A lot of happiness is coming, a lot of financial success is coming. Your hard work will be paying off. Rest and rejuvenate. Take time throughout the year to rest also, because this is a busy year and you may just forget to rest. 4 of Swords, rest, take care. And 3 of Partnerships and alliances. Yeah, see, you have to cooperate with people. Sometimes you will not agree with the rules or the traditions of society, or maybe innovation and authority, innovation and tradition. You may not want to do things traditionally this year, but you will have to learn to cooperate. Sometimes you will have to cooperate, sometimes you will just have to do things innovatively, sometimes you have to follow the tradition. This is your year of reaping success and balance. Look at that, balance is very important. Your career, your education is going upwards, but you need to stay balanced. one step at a time. You will want to achieve everything overnight. No, that won't be good. That will tire you out. That will, instant success is not good success. It doesn't last. Okay, so for Capricorn for the year 2021. Alright, wow, this is interesting. You have very few charms, but very interesting ones. So you have the P with the snowflake. So some hidden wish is going to come true, something you don't know about yet. Something destined will happen. P is important, the alphabet P, P, E, and A. So yeah, something very important is going to happen. And G. Gap, yeah, there may be some difference of opinion with people who are of different age gap, like your seniors, juniors. There might be a gap between people of generations for you, but I think you may, or you are dealing with someone who is elder to you or very younger than you in love, but you are going to find balance there. If you keep your teamwork high, you will going to find the balance. Let's see what else. GAPE. Ape, people are going to copy you a lot this year. So get ready, Capricorns. People are gonna watch you, copy you, and people are going to like go gaga over you. Number two is important. Two is also about harmony. Two is also about keeping love important, harmony, friendships. Two is also February. So February is important. 77 is important. 777 is important. Pineapple, reconciliation. Pineapple is also about taking rest and enjoying life, not just all work, work, work. Pineapple is also celebrations. Pineapples are symbols of material harvest. Like, they are known as symbols of abundance and celebrations. So, yes, it is coming, celebrations and abundance. And look, wedding bells. Some of you will get married, some of you will start working with someone you marry, or some of you will meet romance through your work. Red car, I feel some of you might buy or upgrade your automobiles, your vehicles, cars, or something like that. Some of you may buy your own home or renovate your own home. So congratulations, you're extremely lucky. Look at that. You are very lucky. The green money is coming your way. Passion, you are very passionate, Capricorns. Very passionate. God bless who comes in and stands in your way. They won't be happy. The flower, it is like someone loves you, friend. Some offers of love and friendship and compliments coming your way. Look at that. This is the heart, and with the piano on it written. This is the heart basil. 147360 is written on it. So 14 might be important, or 14th of July might be important, and number 36 is also important, or 3 or 6 are important. Tiger. I feel this heart, someone wants to offer you love. And piano, I do see music will help you this year to feel calm, to feel relaxed. Tiger, you're very, very powerful, Capricorn, this year. Your energy, your power is rising. And 5 of coins, money issues will heal. You also have 5 of cups, disappointment. And 5 of coins is worry about money, trust issues. All will heal. And things will get better for you, Capricorn. So make sure to subscribe Magic Vends Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. Bye for now.